All right, so today I've got a recipe that I'm very excited to share with you. You know, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I've had lots of people, and I mean lots of people, write me and ask me if I could make a healthy vegan coffee creamer. And so I've done that, and I'm going to share it with you today. Now, this creamer has no refined sugar, no oil, no artificial flavors or ingredients. It's made with super healthy ingredients. So if you care about what you're putting in your body, even in your creamer, this is the perfect recipe for you. Now, I'm going to be adding some dates and some vanilla, so this will be a flavored creamer. But if you want like your creamer plain, you could just leave out the dates. If you like it more or less sweet, you could add more dates or less dates. If you want the vanilla flavor, you can leave it or you can omit it. So you have some flexibility here. That's another thing I love about this recipe. Let's start putting it together. Okay, so let's start by getting the soaked nuts and dates into the juicer container. Then it's just a matter of turning it on and slowly adding water. And within a couple of minutes, our creamer is ready. All right, I'm gonna mix in a little bit of vanilla for some extra flavor here. And then I'm gonna give this a try in a nice cup of coffee. So if you're someone who wants a creamer that doesn't have all the unhealthy ingredients, you can go ahead and make your own.